Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this quick, simple and easy chicken stir fry recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single upload from me. All the measurements will be available for you guys in the description box below. So we're starting off with some chicken breasts, which I've just thinly sliced, and then to that I'm some ground ginger. Then I'm going to add some garlic flakes. If you do have fresh garlic, you're welcome to use that. Then I'm going to add some smoked paprika. Then I'm going to add the lemon and herb seasoning onto my chicken. And lastly, I'm going to be adding some oil. Then I'm going to give this a quick mix just so that all my seasoning is well and evenly combined and fully seasoning my chicken. Then to a hot pan, I'm going to then go ahead and add our chicken. Then I'm just going to make sure that I spread the chicken out on the pan surface just so that all of the pieces get an opportunity to cook on the bottom. After about 2 to 3 minutes of just simmering, I'm then going to flip over the chicken, and then I'm going to then start sauteing it just so that everything is well cooked through on all sides. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to then add our chicken into a separate bowl, and then in the same pan with the same leftover oils, I'm then going to add my vegetables. So the vegetables that you use are totally dependent on you. These are the ones that I had in my house. So I'm going to be using some carrots and then also some baby marrow, which I've just thinly sliced. And to that I'm going to be adding some butter. While my butter is melting, I'm then going to season these vegetables with the all season seasoning. Then I'm just going to continue to saute this until my baby marrow starts to become a little bit soft. This process usually takes about 5 minutes. So after about 5 minutes, you can see your baby marrow is also starting to change in color. You can then proceed to add your next set of vegetables. In this case, it's going to be my robot peppers, my green, yellow and red pepper. I'm adding these in last because I prefer mine not to be fully cooked through. If you want yours to be soft, then I would advise that you add all your vegetables all in once. So you're going to give that a quick mix, and you'll notice that your baby marrow is the one that's going to cook through first. If you are going to be following my steps, once your baby marrow is nice and soft, you can then proceed to the next step, which is then creating the sauce. So I've got some chicken stock, and to that I'm just going to add some sugar, give it a quick mix, and then I'm going to add some Worcestershire sauce. If you've got soy sauce, you're welcome to make use of that. I don't have soy sauce, so I'm going to use Worcestershire sauce. Then I'm going to add that back into my pan. I'm going to allow that to simmer until the sauce starts to thicken. So it will first reduce and then start to thicken because of the sugars as well. And once you start seeing that your sauce is reducing, you can then proceed to add your chicken back into the pan. Then you're going to mix your chicken into the sauce and your vegetables, being very careful to not break and mince your chicken into smaller pieces. Going to allow that to simmer for about 5 minutes, again just so our sauce can continue with its reduction process. Then I'm just going to garnish mine with a little bit of parsley, and then I'm going to add the final ingredient, which is the everything bagel seasoning that I've added there on top. And that is it. It's a quick, simple and easy chicken stir fry recipe. This would be served well with some white rice on the side of white rice. And yeah, basically that is it for this video. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.